how to use storytelling in emails. People connect with people, no brand. So make your emails feel personal. Instead of corporate talk, write like a real person sharing story. Start with emotions. Facts are forgettable, but a good story sticks. So show the problem, the struggle, and the solution. Make it relatable. Talk directly to your reader. You and we help them imagine themselves in the story. Use a real customer stories. Let them share how your product helped them. It's more convincing than any sales speech. Give a behind-scenes look. Show what goes into your product. The challenges, the wins. Insider stories always grabs attention. Storytelling makes emails more engaging, builds trust, and keeps reading coming back. So next time you write an email, don't just sell, tell a story.